Hi, this is a walkthrough on how to install Eclipse for CS 105 and CSPC 105. In the first module in 1.3, we have the instructions on how to install Java and Eclipse. It used to be that you had to install Java and Eclipse separately. Now it's all one and the same as part of the same instructions. So in the instructions, you have this link on where to install it. Go ahead and go to the link, and you go down here to Get Eclipse IDE. And whatever the latest one is will just be right here. It'll automatically set it up for the correct operating system for what you're on. In my case, I have Windows 11, so that's the one that's listed here. Click on the link, and then click on the download button. You can safely ignore this unless you want to make a donation. You can see up here how it's downloading the installer. Doesn't take much time because it'll actually do most of the installing or downloading during the install process. Go ahead and open the file. It'll take a minute to come up. What you want is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. That's the one you want to install. The default should be fine. You can decide whether you want to create a start menu entry or desktop. I don't want a desktop shortcut, but I do want it in my start menu, so I'll leave that one clicked and I'll hit install. Accept the terms and agreement. At this point, it will start downloading the files and installing the application. It'll take a few minutes. Every once in a while, when things get a little bit slow, you'll get a little banner up top. You can safely just ignore those. Okay, installation is completed successfully. It didn't take a terrible amount of time. You can go ahead and hit launch. It'll start up Eclipse for the first time. You can go ahead and set your workspace. It defaults to one in your user directory. That's usually fine. You can say use this default and do not ask again, so it doesn't come up every time you launch. Okay, this is the welcome screen. Asks you some, it'll also take you to a website, but this kind of lets you jump right to something that you want to do. In this case, you can just say, oh, I don't know, create a hello world application. And it's just kind of a walkthrough. This isn't quite as important. So you have it up here. The assignment says you'll receive full credit by uploading screenshots that shows that you have successfully installed Java in Eclipse. Your screenshot should be similar to the one of the images above. Include your entire screen. No images are listed here, so I would go ahead and just go to help and about Eclipse IDE, and this should show the version number of the Eclipse that you installed. So if you have a screenshot of this whole screen, that's enough. You can go back here, start the assignment, upload that screenshot file, and submit the assignment, and that should be sufficient. If you have any questions, let me know, and good luck with the assignment.